Hello and welcome to this Junior's Gasoline Alley, where today we're going to be replacing the air filter on my 2020 GMC Sierra. This is a 1500. It has the 2.7 liter engine. However, the air filter replacement is the same for the V8 as well as the 4-cylinder. And all we're going to need to do is basically take this top off of where the air filter goes in and replace it with this AC Delco part number. I'll have the replacement part as well as an upgraded K&N down in the description below. But to get this done, it's actually quite easy. I'm going to use a ratchet here. You, of course, could use the standard hand ratchet if you wanted to, but this is a 8mm down low, so go ahead and get our 8mm on. There we go. Take that one out. We've got that one. Then there's going to be behind here, right there, another one. And just be careful not to lose these down below. And our last one is going to be on the back side here. Get our tool. And now with just a bit of effort, we should be able to pull up and out on our air box. So up and out, boom. It's going to come out just like this. And then we've got our air filter inside. So this puppy will pull right out. And, not good, but not terrible. Now let's go ahead, open up our new air filter. As you can see, it's pretty shiny and nice. Actually has a free filter added to it. The old one, the factory one, didn't, although this is a AC Delco replacement, so it's a factory replacement option. And all you got to do now, just slide the new air filter down in just like that. Take your cover, get it back into place, and I'll show you real quick. There's 3 of these little hooks that we got to make sure that we get slid into place. And you do need to apply some downward pressure, and then with everything else, just start sliding the screws in and drive them back down snug. And you don't have to go super tight, so don't try to over tighten these. It's just plastic, and it's creating a seal around that air filter. They're just snug enough. There we go. And that right there is how you replace this old worn out filter and get it installed into your truck in maybe 5 minutes at most. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe, as well as browse the channel, because I have lots of other great videos about the GMC Sierra and maintenance tips on the truck as well.